If you are looking for a system to manage your business, manage your customers, manage your leads, manage your opportunities, manage invoices, manage your payments, everything, this system is the best system that I've personally tried, because I've tried out a lot of systems and this one is the best that I've used so far. So with this system, just on the dashboard, you can see the total number of users you have in the system. You can see the total number of accounts. Maybe you have different accounts, multiple accounts for your business. You can see it from here. You can see the total number of contacts. These are customers. You can see the total number of leads for the business. You can see the total number of opportunities and the total number of invoices, sales orders, and the total number of products you have for the business. Right here, you can come and see a quick graph of demonstrating the cost and the invoices, the sales orders for the business in the month or in a certain period of time. You can just come and see it from here. And one thing that I want to show you about business, maybe this is your business here, but this business to be big like this, what makes it have this shape? Maybe let us give it this shape. A business has almost 3 shapes, and one of those shapes is the management. That is, the management is the most essential element. It should be number 1 for your business. It helps these other elements work. Maybe you are a service business, then we have the technicality comes in there. The technicality, how technical are you? Then you have the sales and marketing. Where are you going to get people to come into your business and buy from you? Then there are some other smaller particles here that can come, maybe the idea and other things. But personally, it is the management, sales and marketing, and also the technicality or the work you do for the business. So this system is just meant to solve the management part. Remember, management holds everything, and if you have a good management system like this one that can show you that, okay, you have this number of opportunities, you can be motivated to keep on doing the services. So down here you can see like the invoice overview. You can see the open invoices, the partially paid invoices, the cancelled invoices, the not paid invoices, and the paid invoices. What is the percentage from all the invoices you have? You can see here the quote overview, cancelled quotes, and down here you can see the meeting schedule. How many meetings do you have in a month or in a period or in a given period of time? You can just see it from here. Total due tasks, what tasks do you have to do for a specific week, for a specific day? You can just come here and say, okay, what tasks did I not do? You can just come and say it from here. This is all the management, the first essential part of business. Down here, you can see February update. Maybe you can see, okay, on this day I have to do this, and the system gives you the calendar so that you know, okay, now today is a Sunday, then Monday, like what am I going to do on these days? And when you click on the date, you can come and set a task or a meeting on that date. Down here you have roles. Okay, maybe you want to add on different users. Now this is a user, as you see up here, and you can maybe want to add another user. You can just go there, and also here you can message directly people through the system in their emails. Here you can create a template. Maybe you when you are demanding people money, or when you are thanking people for making a payment, you want to send them a certain message, you can just create it from here. Here you can create a form. Here you can add the account. Here you can add the contacts. Here you can add the leads. Here you can input, okay, today I got this opportunity, and follow through the opportunity, like, okay, now the opportunity is a negotiation, now it is just from prospecting, now I've closed the deal. It is here. I'm not going to go through it because I don't want the video to be so long. Here you can see the products. Okay, I have these certain products. Here you can add the cost, sales orders, invoices. Here the payments, you can add the payments here, and remember, here you can see the total number paid. So that means that the system analyzes very well how much money you have made in a certain period of time. Cases, Some of you have done some business, or maybe you did business management at university or somewhere else. Cases, we have economic cases, we have strategic cases. So those cases just help you in determining, okay, I'm working on a project, or I'm working on a certain business. Now I'm in a growth case, or I'm in an economic case, or I'm on a strategic case. You can just come and add them from here. So calendar, you can just come and do it from here. Here you can add tasks. Okay, now the task is at a certain stage. I'm going to show you those down there. Here you can come and add meetings. Maybe you have to call certain people. You can just come here and do it from there. You have contracts. Personally, I have social media contracts, web development contracts, software development contracts. You can just come here and create templates of those contracts, so that anytime you get a new customer, you don't need to create a new one or go and look for folders and do what. You can just get them from here. Whatever business you have, maybe construction, maybe event management, you can just do it from there. You have campaigns here. Campaigns, maybe you have, let us say, a social media campaign for a certain period of month, or you have a sales campaign. You can track those campaigns from here when you create those campaigns. You have stream, you have plan, you have referral program. You have customers we have worked on. Then you can just come here and be like, okay, this customers has brought this number of referrals, and you track those referrals. Here you can come to order, and right here you can come, for example, on reports. On reports, you can create a custom report, and like the custom report, you can select what kind of report you want to see from the system. Here you can see leads analysis. Okay, this month I've got this number of leads. How many of these leads have gone to become customers? You can just come and see it from here. That motivates you to keep moving. That is business. You can come here and see invoice analysis. How many invoices have I given out to people in the given period of time? Sales order analysis, quote analysis. How many quotes have I sent out? When you see a report of quotes, then that gives you in mind, okay, now I have to do this. I have to call again these people. I have to do this again. So here we have constants. You can come and create an account type. Maybe it is, as I said, it depends on the service you offer or whatever you want to add there, and the industry. Okay, this account is going to be associated with these industries and everything else. So here we have document. Maybe you have a folder. Let me use my example. You have a folder of graphic design. You can just do it from there. All customers for graphic designing, you can just be tracking them from that certain folder. Here you can create the campaigns. Here you can create the product, brand, category, everything else, lead sources. Maybe some are going to come from door to door prospecting. Here opportunity stages. Okay, now on closing, now I'm on prospecting, now I'm on negotiation. You can just come and set it from here. So that here, up here, when you are creating the opportunity, you can just be using the system to track everything. So it gives you the freedom to set everything. Task stages, maybe your initialization, you have got a contract from a customer. Now your initialization, then you are in planning stage. That helps you in tracking up here. That is management. There is no software system that I've seen that can help you manage your business more than this one. So I want to walk you through the settings here. I'm going to use another window. So settings, you can come here and select the settings and give the system like the title, everything else. You can change it to light mode. I just use dark mode. You can even see my screen. Everything that I use is dark. That is what I can say. So I love dark mode. That is why this system is in dark mode as I walk you through it. Here you can select the system settings, legitimate quota services, Kampala, Wakiso, zip code, telephone number. Here you can create the email settings. I have it added because you are going to see through it, but these email settings help you here in Messenger and notification. So after setting here, you can just go the other side and send the email quickly as you want. Here you can create the currency and the date format you want when you have sent a message to a certain customer. Down here is the best part. You can create a quote as you can see, I have a template of a quote that the customer is going to see. I don't have to go back in Word, and every time I want to send a quote, I just have to do it again. You can just do it from here. And still, I have templates of the invoice. As you can see here, you can select different types of invoice from different countries from here. And again, I have here a sales order invoice and many other things, payment types, SMS type, and everything else, calendar, and everything else. So this system is just the best. That is why I am recommending it. If you need this system, contact me so that I can help you get it, set it up, and it is cheap. I'm giving it to you, and you can run it on your machine. Maybe if you want to run it maybe online, still I can help you set it up. But you can also run it online freely and use it anywhere you want, anytime you want, whatever you want. But if you want to access it from different locations, that means you have to buy hosting. But if you have your laptop, you don't want to invest all that money, you can still run it on your machine without any interruptions. So that is it. That is the system. That is the best management system for your business.